I'll guide you through how to make money with photography. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, start by learning photography and focus on styles like product photography or cinematic shots that can really showcase your creativity and skill. Use free online tutorials, courses, and practice sessions to get comfortable with your camera, understand different lighting techniques, and learn how to edit photos professionally. Take time to experiment with various setups and subjects so you can build a diverse portfolio that highlights your strengths. Once you feel confident in your abilities, it's time to start finding customers who are looking for quality photography services. Go to www.𝗕𝘂𝗀𝗀𝘀𝗀.com. After that, scroll down to the search bar located in the middle of the homepage. In the search field, type product photography, and then press enter or click the search button on the right to see examples of how other photographers promote their gigs. Pay close attention to their descriptions, pricing packages, sample photos, and the way they communicate their unique style. Use this as inspiration, but create your own professional profile that clearly shows what you offer and why clients should choose you. By branding yourself effectively on Fiverr and consistently delivering excellent work, you can start attracting customers and turning your photography skills into a profitable online business. Thanks for watching.